Yep, it's me. I know it's a lot of crap I like to do. This is something that I'm going to love doing. It's talking about something new I just got. I didn't want to do a power backup scenario. Now you got generators, you got batteries. That's what most people do. I already have a solar panel system, but I didn't do the battery one. I bought the panel system. My choice. I decided, hey, you know what? It's time for me to go ahead and go get me a battery. I decided to change brands, so I have a different solar panel system than I do with my battery system. But I think I'm gonna love this battery system. The installers just left. It's already putting energy into my home. I have a dryer and an oven running. It started out at 35%. I've been off the grid already without the solar and without the grid giving me any power back. I have a cutoff of 20%. The thing about it is, I've been running ever since. This is crazy. And the other thing that's just like aesthetically cool about this thing that I got, it has like RGB lights. Like, that's crazy. I can actually change the color to this thing. Oh, sorry, that's my light sensor. One sec. Whoop. Ha! Thought it was the battery. Guess again. This thing, I can actually change colors to this. Change colors. No one else is doing that. And the price point wasn't bad neither. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. But I don't know if it's true or not, but I found out I am the first one to have this in Texas. This is bananas. Get with you later.